Hello guys, welcome again. Welcome to Tech Class channel. Today in this video, we are going to participate on Prime Protocol Testnet, which is incentive. So Prime Protocol is a cross-chain protocol, which they are currently in their testnet. So presently, Prime Protocol already raised $2.7 million. So we are hoping something good from them. So let's begin that. So first, before you start any testnet, if you are new, you actually need to secure your OG, that is your Discord rule. So that is why I will drop this link for you people so that you can see how to actually get that rule. If you click on it and then enter your Twitter, you will see how to get your rule. Here, they have explained everything there. So after you have read it and then do the task, then you can now enter their Discord to get your rule. So when you finally get your rule, the next thing is to drop your let me show you. Is to drop your address in one of their channel. So let us enter now. So here is the server. So when you have finally get your role, you can just come to this channel, this particular channel, which is the testnet registration, and then submit your address here. Submit your address, then that's all. So when you submit your address, then you can now start with the testnet. So when you finally finish your testnet, you can also come to this testnet feedback and then write your feedback and your experience, what you have learned there. So guys, let's proceed with the main work. So as I told you from the beginning, Prime Protocol is a cross-chain platform. So as you all know, cross-chain platform has to do with different kind of networks. So it's like more of bridging something from another network to another network. So we actually need to add this some of these networks for the purpose of this testnet. So you have to add some of these networks. So as you all know how to add the network, you can just go to chainlist.org, then use our metamask and add some networks. So let's do this, guys. Click on this chainlist.org, select the browser you are using, use Chrome, use Kiwi for if you are using mobile, and if you are using your PC, you can go with your normal Chrome. So now when your chainlist is open, the first thing here is to connect your wallet first. So click on this connect wallet. When you click on it, it will either show you to proceed this to sign this transaction, or you have to do it manually. So it doesn't show anything. Let us click it again. Let me change this to desktop view and see whether it will pop up. So now let's read this. So now you have to click on this. You have to click on this connect wallet. When you click on connect wallet, it will actually direct you to your wallet, where you need to unlock the wallet and then sign this transaction. So let me then unlock. So when you unlock this, then you can just let us go back to our and see whether. So now after we have unlocked it, it will finally connected with our metamask. So after it connected, then you can now click on this place. Since we are doing testnet, change this mode to testnet. So when you change this mode to testnet, then you can now search the network you are looking for. So for this tutorial, we are going to add Moonbase Alpha, which is the first one. Moonbase Alpha. So when we search it, actually not showing. Let us just type Moonbase. Here it is. Click on add network. Since we are the network have already popped up, click on add network, add to metamask. Sorry, when you click on add to metamask, then enter your metamask again, then approve this. So when you approve this, then switch network, click on switch network. So when you switch the network, now you can go back and then type another network you are looking for, like AVAX and other networks. So when you have done that, let me post this video, then do your own. When you have done that, then we can now proceed with the tutorial. So now that you have finally add all these networks, then you can now copy your address, and then let's proceed with the next steps. So now let us go to our, so the next step is to request faucet for all these networks. So let us start with the first one. Click on this link, which is for the Moonbase Alpha. Then you can use any of your browser. So now just paste your address here, then submit. So when you submit, wait for it. Now that we have actually received some particular amount of this token, I think we cannot request again. So since you have already received, so you can go at your own leisure and then request for all these remaining networks, which is the Avalanche, the Mumbai, and the Phantom. So after you have done that, let's proceed. So I have already received my faucet, which is this, and I think I have some of this for the Avalanche Fuji and other networks. That is why I haven't request for them. So for you can go there and then request. After you have done that, then let's proceed with the next steps. So the next step is which is the step 3, is to click on this link now, this which is the prime protocol.xyz. Then select your QE browser, and then wait for the website to open. So when the website is open now, change it to desktop view if you are using mobile. Then now click on this connect wallet, connect to wallet, then select metamask. Here it is. So when you click on select metamask, you can either do it manually, or you can check whether there is any incoming transaction in your wallet. So here it is in my wallet. I found that there is an incoming transaction. I'll just click on this next and then connect this website to my wallet. So when I finally do that, I will just go back to the website and then start the tax. So my wallet is finally connected with this website, so we can now start with the tax. So the first tax is to request faucet, is to mint some token here, some faucet token that we are going to use for the test. So click on this navigation button if you are using Android. If you are using PC, you see all the features here. So if you are using Android, just click on this navigation bar. When you click on it, click on this faucet. When you click on faucet, it will show you some around 6 token here. So you actually need to mint some of this token. It's not necessary. It's not necessarily you have to mint all, but you can just mint even 3 or 4 of them. So let me mint Bitcoin for the BTC, which is the first one. When you click on it, then enter your browser, enter your wallet now to proceed this to confirm this transaction. So wait for the gas estimation to finish. After the gas estimation is finished, then you can now click on confirm. So when you click on confirm, go back to your wallet and wait for this to be done. So just wait for some seconds, and everything will be done. So we have finally mint this BTC. As you can see, we have received the token here. Then we can now let us mint USDT. Click on USDT, mint. Click on mint on USDT. Then confirm this transaction. Then confirm. Then go back to your website and then wait for it to be done. So we have finally received it. So then you can now mint this the last one. I'll just mint USDC and then proceed with the tax. So now let's wait for this to be done, then click on confirm. After you click on confirm, go back to your website and wait for this to be done. So the USDC is successfully, so we can now proceed with the next task. So the next task is to go back to your dashboard, click on the navigation bar, click on this your dashboard. When you click on it, then come to this deposit, which is already in deposit. When you come to deposit now, so you can deposit in some of these assets so now click on this BTC, click on deposit here. When you click on it, click on maximum. When you click on maximum, you can type any amount, but click on maximum for the sake of this tutorial, or let me say testnet. Then click on deposit. So when you click on deposit now, let us proceed this transaction here. Confirm this. When you confirm this, go to your website and wait. Now wait for the transaction to be completed. We are going to proceed, and we are going to confirm another transaction, because it is two transactions. The first one is for approving, and the second one is for the deposit. So now let's wait for it to be done. So we are waiting. Let me pause this video for some second. So our BTC deposit is successfully, as you can see from the balance now, it is now showing 100,000 BTC. So here it is, you see the deposit. So that means we have finally deposited some amount. So you can now click on this. Let us use this USDT. When you click on USDT, then you can now select the maximum. Also click on deposit. Confirm this. When you confirm this, go back to your website and then wait for the approval, and then the next confirmation. Okay, let's go and approve the next transaction. Yeah, confirm this. When you confirm this, then now you can now go back to the website and wait for it to be done. We are waiting just a little seconds. Wait, so we are going to actually confirm another transaction. Just do this sharp, then go back to our website and then wait for this also to be done. So finally we have deposited our USDT successfully. So thank God for this. You can see, you can also see what you are doing here, this recent transaction tracker. So now you can proceed with the next step. It is as you can see, I didn't deposit this one. I know what I'm doing. Just leave it like that. With this one, it's okay with our test. We can do our testnet and everything will work fine. So now click on deposit. Click on deposit. Sorry, borrow. Sorry to say. Click on borrow. When you click on borrow, click on this tech loan. When you click on this tech loan, then here you can click on this maximum, or you can type any amount you wanted to use. So I'm just going to put maximum amount, then click on next, then click on tech loan. As you see it here, click on tech loan. When you click on take loan, now enter your wallet to confirm this transaction. So click on confirm. When you click on confirm, then go back to the website and wait for this to be done. It will take little seconds. So we have finally take the loan of billions of billions of PUSD. So let's go with the let's proceed with the next steps. So click on this navigation bar once again. This navigation bar. When you click on it, click on bridge now. Let me show you the bridge now. Click on bridge. When you click on it, so here you can bridge from our guideline that I just write. So we are going to bridge from Moonbase to Avax. So you can use any network you prefer. So I prefer to use Fuji, which is the Avax Fuji. So you can use anyone. You can use the Phantom, you can use the Mumbai, the Polygon Mumbai. Anyone you use is good, sure. It will work fine. So now click on Fuji. When I click on Fuji, so I can type any amount I wanted to bridge. As you can see, I have enough balance. So I'm just going to write any number here. Let me just put 10,000. Well, let me 100,000. When I put 100,000, click on bridge now. When you click on bridge, enter your wallet now. Confirm this. When you confirm this, I think it's going to be 2 transactions. Oh, it's one. So let's wait for this. It will take a little time because bridging take little time, some like minute or 2 minutes. So as you can see here, I get a complete message. So I actually need to proceed the next one. Since we are dealing with 2 networks. Actually need to proceed with the next one now. So when I click on confirm, then I think let's wait for this to show complete, so that then we can now reconnect our wallet. So it doesn't show anything. Let me just do this now. Click on this connect wallet again, select your metamask. It will take you back to your website. Then click on this bridge. So you can see that here is the completion transaction, which is this. That means we have finally bridged that amount from Moonbase to Avax. Let us connect again. I think there is a little back end issue, especially for the mobile version. That is why it is doing some kind of little error. But I think if you are using PC, you will not get this problem. So let us check this again. So I think we have finally bridged that. We have finally bridged it, that 100k that we type. So since we have finally bridged it, you can now proceed with the next step. So now again, click on this navigation bar and then come to this place. Come to swap now. When you come to swap, click on it. Then now we are going to swap. We are going to swap PUSD to USDT, USDC, then USDC to PUSD, just like back and forth. So now we are going to select the first asset, which is the PUSDC. Then the second asset is USDC. So since I've already typed this, I will just put any amount here, even though you have a lot. So I will just put little amount here. Let me just put like 100k. So I think here is 100k. So after I put 100k here, I will just click on swap. So when you click on swap, then now go and proceed this, go and confirm this transaction. So when you come to this place, confirm. When you confirm this, go back to your wallet and then wait for this to be done. Wait for this to be done. Yeah, I think we just wait for it to be done. So we have finally swapped this PUSD to USDC. So you can now do the same for the USDC to PUSDC. So let us swap 100 of it. When you click on 100 of it, then also click on swap now. When you click on swap, you don't have to see any kind of like ongoing transaction. Just if you click on swap, just go to your wallet and then proceed this confirm this transaction. If not, if you click on it multiple times, then the transaction will be multiple. So if you just click on it, just enter your wallet to see whether there is any incoming transaction. Then now you click on confirm. When you click on confirm, then go back to your wallet and wait for it to be done. So now the transaction is completed. So I see any let us check. I see an incoming transaction. Let's confirm this. So when you confirm this, then wait for this. Let us see. Okay, all right. The first one I think is the approval transaction, and the second one is the swap transaction. So let's wait for the second one to finish, and then we see how it goes. So now the second one is completed, which is the swap transaction, and as you can see, our balance already show sorry, the second balance, not this one, this one already show that we have finally swapped that amount. So you can actually do this multiple times at your own time, at your own leisure. Then let us proceed with the next tips, since we have already done that. So now click on this dashboard again. When you click on this dashboard, it will take you to back to the main page. So when you are here now, click on this borrow again. When you click on borrow, then now you have to repay some particular amount of this loan that we have taken. So you can pay all the loan, or you can just pay little amount. So I'm just going to type a number here. So I will just type a number. I think, let me see, like one, let me see, 1 billion. Then click on confirm, then click on repay loan. When you click on repay loan, then now enter your wallet to confirm this. Confirm this now. When you confirm this, come back to your website and then wait for it to be done. Wait for it to be done. So as you can see, we have finally removed some of the amount. Let us proceed the last transaction here. Confirm. When you click on confirm, go back to this your website and wait for it to be done. Wait for it to be done, just little second. So we have finally repaid that large amount of loan that we take. So after you have done that, after you have repaid it, then you can now click on this deposit again. Once again, click on deposit. When you click on deposit now, you are going to remove some amount amount of token that we have deposited here. So click on withdraw now. We are going to withdraw it, sorry. So when you click on withdraw, just click on maximum. So the reason why we cannot actually withdraw the whole of the 100% of what we have deposited is that because there is some particular pending of our loan. So we can just remove some part of it. Then later, if we repay the remaining loan, we can now remove 100% of what we have deposited. So it is just for testnet purpose, so you can just do this. Now click on next. When you click on next, click on withdraw now. So when you click on withdraw, enter your wallet, confirm this, wait for the transaction estimation to be shown. So when finally shown, then click on confirm now. So when you click on confirm now, then go back to your wallet now. So you go back to your website and wait for it to be 100% completed. So I have get a little transaction error when withdrawing my BTC. So I will try it once again. So let me start with the USDT now. Let me start with the USDT, then click on maximum. After I click on maximum, then withdraw it. Click on withdraw, then confirm this transaction now. Then click on confirm. You can boost this gas fee for your speed to increase the speed of your transaction. So now let me wait here again. Let me see whether there is any new transaction coming in. Actually, there is nothing. So I think I will just wait for this to be done. Remove this USDC. We have finally withdraw 100% of our USDC now, as you can see. And here this, you see that our wallet is showing is the amount, the balance from here is removed from there, and then it is now here. So it's like we transfer our balance now. We don't have any current USDC that we have deposited. So the only one that is here is the BTC. So you can also click on it and then try withdrawing some amount, and it will work finally. So after you have done this, let us check our manual, because I know this will be the end. So after you have done this, I think after you have done this, that means you have finally finished with your tax, and that's all for this tax. Guys, this will be the end of this video. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. I know this is very very long season, but actually it worth doing, it worth participating. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button, share this video, and also like, and don't forget to turn on notification for more video like this. Thank you guys for watching this video.